Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for creatives. First, let's set up your personalized Creative Hub. Begin by establishing a dedicated workspace within Notion, a central point for all your endeavors. Next, tailor your dashboard to display crucial information at a glance, such as upcoming deadlines and project statuses. Finally, integrate robust databases to efficiently organize client information, track project progress, and store a wealth of content ideas, ensuring everything is easily accessible and well managed. Now, let's streamline your project workflows. Develop reusable project templates to ensure consistency and efficiency across all your creative undertakings. Implement Kanban boards to visually represent each stage of your projects, from conception to completion, providing a clear overview. Easily assign specific tasks to team members, establish firm deadlines, and monitor their progress, ensuring every project moves forward smoothly and on schedule. Next, let's master content creation and idea management. Construct a comprehensive content calendar to meticulously plan and schedule all your publications, ensuring a consistent output. Centralize all your valuable creative assets, detailed notes, and essential research materials within Notion, making them readily available. Leverage linked databases to seamlessly connect your brilliant ideas with their corresponding projects, fostering a cohesive and organized creative process. Finally, let's enhance client management and collaboration. Design dedicated client portals within Notion to facilitate secure communication and effortless file sharing, improving client relationships. Share specific pages or databases with your team and external collaborators, enabling seamless feedback and joint efforts. Efficiently track all client interactions and consolidate project feedback, ensuring clear communication and successful project delivery every single time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.